We know your Piranha Ironworker will run forever, but some basic 5-point check systems done on a regular basis will increase the life of the machine, increase productivity, and reduce downtime. Blade edge quality is a must in getting good quality sheared parts off the machine, and it also reduces the tonnage and decreases the smearing or burred edge that happens on a dull blade. A dull blade is one that the edge is rolled on, and a lot of times you can see indentions in the blade. Your good edge quality is a nice sharp corner, squared off, very much like a regular knife. You can feel that running your finger across it, that it's got good edge quality. Clearances on the machine is also a benefit. When you check the clearances, I set a feeler gauge, and no more than 10 to 15 thousandths between the blades. You simply shut the machine down, slide your feeler gauge between the blades where they cross, and that is a good indicator as to the cut quality that you'll get. The tighter the blade gap on our Piranha Ironworker, the better the cut quality that you will get. The urethane, and I will show you a new urethane stripper block. The urethane stripper blocks are tall and cylindrical, and as long as they're not bulged or cracked, you get nice push off of the material of your punch. What that benefits you with is the urethane stripping attachment allows you to punch through the material and come back out, which keeps the piece flat and also keeps it down to the die holder area so it doesn't lift the plate when you're punching. The shear urethane is also another section that, as long as the shear urethane is good and flat with no nicks, cuts, cracks, then that's going to hold the material tightly while you're shearing. One of the last steps is the greasing. We've got approximately 14 grease zerks on the machine. There is a greasing chart that you can look at that shows all of the areas. The frequency of greasing is around 40 hours on most grease zerks. The only grease zerk that you do not grease except once a year is the motor grease zerks. You only want to shoot grease into that once a year, and it's one pump. And the very last section would be your filter change. It also shows that in this area on the greasing chart. We suggest changing the filter approximately every 3 months of use. With the filter change, that's going to keep your hydraulic system clean and your machine working at optimal.